Welcome to Module 2.4. In this module, we will be talking about two steps in the scientific method called Hypothesize and Prediction. If you are going through this training independently, make sure to open up the training guide link to Module 2.4. Remember, only a happy parrot talks regularly. The O was for observe. The A is for ask. The H is for hypothesize, and the P is for predict. Creating a hypothesis and making a prediction are key steps in research. A hypothesis is an educated guess about how something works or why something happens. We start by observing and asking a question. For example, why do some parents with substance use disorders attend more counseling sessions than others? A hypothesis is using what we know to make a guess. For example, we might guess that parents with access to free childcare during counseling sessions are more likely to attend regularly. A prediction is what you think will happen if your hypothesis is correct. It should be specific and testable. For example, if free childcare is provided, then parents in recovery programs will attend at least 25% more counseling sessions compared to those without childcare support. Predictions help guide your experiment and study. By following these steps, you can explore ideas and test whether your hypothesis is supported by evidence. Let's try making some hypotheses together based on some research questions. Number 1, would attendance at group services improve if a treatment provider gave rides to and from the services? Or number 2, would parents have greater satisfaction with services if they had activities for children to participate in at clinics? If you are following along independently, your question should appear in the Module 2.4 training guide. Now, what do you think will happen? The answer to this question is your hypothesis. To what extent do you think things will change in line with your hypothesis? The answer to this question is your prediction. If you are following along independently in your Module 2.4 training guide link, make sure to use the guide to record your answer. Please pause the video now while you record your responses. Thank you for completing Module 2.4. If you are following along independently, make sure that when you complete the questions in this module to let your coordinator know you are finished.